Give me money for food, though. Give me money for food. Pastor, no give me money for food. Today you must give me money for food. Give me money, you must give me money today. Now me and you today.
This woman, leave my clothes. I go beat you.
It is smoky.
Pastor, now you no bring money. Now let chop.
I go give myself for you. Now me be the only lazy man waiting for this country.
You too lazy, I beg. You too lazy.
Okay, because I lazy.
You no lazy, you have a family.
Now why you go collect palliative where they shape of women where be say their husband no dey again? I be no die alive again.
I be alive, I see you no dey alive.
Okay.
Now your one I see you too lazy. I beg. Today you go just go drink for money till now. You come make all the dick man eat my own food. You dey as if you no dey, I beg. You too lazy. If today you dey, you go cater for your family.
Give my clothes, I go beat you.
Give me money for food.
I dey go see my friend.
Today you must give me money for food. Give me money for food.
I go beat you.
Give me money for
food. I leave my clothes.
Give me money for food.
They be na money for food.
Na money for food. Give me money for food.
I go give you. I go give you. I come now.
Give me money
for my clothes first.
Give me money for food. Give me money for
my clothes. I go give you the money.
Give me money for food.
Give my clothes. I give you.
Give me money. Don't worry. Now me and you for this house. If you run finish, you will come with me for this house. Now me and you. Don't worry. Just the run they go. Thank you, Jesus. You're the owner of my...
I don't suffer, no be small.
Baba is calling me. Hello, Baba. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, I don't put am. You say once you drink am, you say you go die, abi.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Not even dey drink am. Yes. Thank you, Baba. In fact, I will double your money. Thank you, Baba. All right, sir. My husband don't come. Not too much of an explanation. No, enjoy yourself. Yeah, just sit down. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. This Baba now, wow.
This world can be something else. I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.